Hi peeps. I'm I'm having spam and itchy bad. Because it's a wet night. The rain fell really hard today. I mean, it was hot this afternoon, not long, but it was hot for one moment, and then the rain just boom, 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 boom. See, I even brought my secret bag to. This is what I was wearing. I mean, just regular, you know, with my and my sparkly jacket. That's it. It was just simple. I wanted to just glisten. I wanted to shine like a diamond, but this diamond wasn't supposed to shine tonight, I guess, because they closed the club. Lou, did you close the club? I'm so sorry. I gotta check the news. I don't know what happened when I went to sleep. Just like Rumpelstiltskin, you go to sleep, the world shut down. My itchy band is hot. This is what I smelled before I went to sleep. Somebody frying something. Oh. Can I have rocket, please? I have my dish there that's already there. Somebody? Can you give me another fork? Can I have another fork? This is Anna's fork. I don't like Anna's fork. It's the one that's just so together. I kind of. Oh my God. Okay. Well, I will be right back. Just gonna get something. I don't know when was the last time I had itchy band.
I'm sorry I took so long because I bounced on my bed and I fell down.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah. I just hit my ear and I lined up.
Look, Pete.
Wait, try to make it like do this. Press down right here.
Look at that. Mm. My baby's just going wild in front of me. God, this is good. I don't know if I want some more.
Look what this power gives me.
Last dinner roll. Last spam.
Look at this power gives me.
Last rock
Look
hill.
at this power gives me. That
Mm.
power gives me.
Mm.
Look what all the characters do. Look when I do all of them. Look. Look what they all give me.
Are those peeps? I want to come further. See what happens. Mm. Yeah. Down to the last drop, peeps. You know, you wake up hungry. Well, I'm glad that, because I woke up and I was running late. In a way, it's okay because I would have drank again without eating. And then partied. Well, peeps, it's a short night. I was going to have a good time at Bell's, but the weather decided it for everybody else. All right? Enjoy your snack, dinner, or lunch wherever you are. Adios, peeps. I'll see you again. Tomorrow's Friday. Yay.
I want to pause it.
All right. Adios.